Hello, it is me, Chad Infernos, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to take textures from hats and such and retexture them, upload them to Roblox, so then you can use them in Electric State Dark RP. So, first off, you're going to want to go to your catalog and find an item that you want to use. For my tutorial, I'm going to be using the Obsidian Skull Commando. So, once you have your item, you're going to want to open up, oh, that's my phone. You're going to want to open up Roblox Studio. Make sure it's on base plates so you can use your textures. Now, you're going to go to the description and get this command and copy it. Control C. Now, you're going to go back to Roblox Studio, go to your command line, and paste it there. Before you do anything else, you're going to go back to your item that you want to use and copy the code up here. Control C. And then you're going to go back to Roblox Studio, and down here where it says AssetID in the brackets, you're going to paste your code there and press enter. And somewhere on your base plate, your item should spawn. Now you have your item, and this is how you get your textures. So you go over to Explorer, and you open up your workspace, go to the model, skull cap, handle, and then you want to go to the mesh. Down here, you have your mesh options. So you have your mesh ID and your texture ID. With your texture ID, you want to take the code right on the end right here and copy it. Go back to your item, and then where your code is for the item, you want to paste it there and press enter. This is how you get your texture and save it for editing later. I mainly use paint.net, but you can use whatever you want to. Now, once you're done editing your texture, you want to go to create. This is where you upload items to Roblox, and then you go to decals for images and such. Here's where you upload your texture. You can either just drag it in, or you can click choose file. But since I already have my file uploaded, I'm not going to be uploading it myself. Just a word of caution though, it might take a while for Roblox to get to your texture and approve it so other people can see it in game. But once you have your texture uploaded, you're going to want to go back to Roblox Studio. I'm going to switch this back to models, but you want to go to Toolbox, click on the drop-down box right here, then click on My Images. Once you do that, you will have all of your textures that you can use that you've uploaded or subscribed to. Once you do that, you're going to get your texture that you uploaded, which I'm going to use Mask Black Skull. You're going to click on it, then click onto your base plate. Now, your texture is down onto your base plate, and this is how you're going to get it onto your actual hat. You're going to go back to your Explorer, click on the base plate, and click on the texture. Then you're going to go down here to your Properties tab, and where it says Texture, you're going to take this ID right here, copy it, go back to your mesh, and where it says Texture ID, you're going to highlight this end texture and just paste it in, and enter. Now you have successfully retextured an item inside of Roblox Studio. But how do you use it in Electric State Dark RP? Well, that's what I'm going to tell you right now. So you're going to go back to your browser of choice. Go find your item again. And then you're going to copy the item ID. You might want to open up a notepad or use just another tab, and then you're going to paste that code. Then you're going to put a period. That is very important because that allows you to see the texture when you put the code back here. So you have your item down with a period behind it. You're going to go back to Roblox Studio, gonna go to your mesh, texture ID, and copy this number in the back right here. Then you are going to paste it behind the period, and then now you have your code for the that you can use in game. So let's get on to Dark RP right now. So once you are on Electric State Dark RP, you're going to want to press T to open up this menu. Go to Actions, then Customize Outfit. This is where you can change your name and then paste codes for clothing, hats, or anything else that you want. I don't think t-shirts work though. I've never tried, but it's worth. So you're going to take your code that you have used, highlight it, and copy it, and then you are going to paste it down here. If you have any hats that might conflict with what you're putting on, you can click Remove Hats. Now, click Confirm, and you are now able to use your retexture inside of Electric State Dark RP. But I must give you a word of caution. If you make your code and everything else before your texture is accepted, people will not see the retextured item. It will just be gray for them instead of, what you see. So take that as a fair warning. Anyways, I hope that this was helpful, and I hope to see more retextures on the field. See you guys later.